Hi, everybody. I'm Nikki, Director of Education at Montana PBS. I know you're busy trying to get things together for students while everyone's working from home and homeschooling from home. I wanted to take a quick few minutes to show you some of the great resources our education team has been putting together for teachers and parents to support home learning during this unexpected time. Hopefully by now you've had a chance to see that we've published this website, MontanaPBS.org/education/distance learning. This is where you will find some quick links to lots of resources for grades pre-K through 12, as well as some webinars and some websites with webinars for professional learning, as well as things for kids to explore. The one place that we hope you'll go that we think is the best resource we have to offer is PBS LearningMediaorg. This is a free website for teachers that houses media in the way of videos, interactives, games, lesson plans, and more. All of it free, always free. You can search by topic, by subject, and by grade level to find things that your kids will find engaging and interesting. A collection that was just published is this set of resources for pre-K through 12 resources for emergency closing. This was made just for teachers who are planning to send things home with their students. As you can see, grades pre-K through 12 have a collection of resources across the content area. We hope you'll check that out. If you're not already a part of our Facebook group for teachers, please join. We're going to be sharing resources that we think you'll find helpful the entire time we're all here at home. And don't forget to share PBS Kids for parents with the families. And if you have your own kids, sign up for this free PBS Kids daily newsletter to get ideas and fresh activities right to your inbox every day. PBS Kids for Parents is a great place to find hands-on activities as well as activities that use media and technology. So we hope that you'll be able to find these resources useful as you're planning for home learning. We hope that you'll also reach out to our education team if we can help you with anything. Nikki at MontanaPBS.org. Stay healthy, everybody.